Little Webby climbs up high, up and up into the sky. Up and up and up she goes, higher than the garden rose. Down came the rain, splish splash, it washed poor Webby in a flash. Down she tumbled to the ground, little Webby tumbled down. Out came the sunshine bright and warm, the sun dried up the rainy storm. Little Webby looked up tall, she wasn't finished after all. Little Webby climbed again, up and up through sun and rain. Up and up until the top, little Webby would not stop. Little Webby found a wall, the tallest wall of all. She took a breath and started climbing. 8 little legs keep shining. Down came the rain again, crash bang, the thunder roared, the lightning rang. Down came poor Webby once more, down to the Webby garden floor. Out came the sun, hooray, hooray, red as Buford's ever seen. Knit and Webby climbed the wall, she didn't stop, no, not at all. Up and up above the flowers, little Webby has the power. At the Webby tippy top, little Webby will not drop. 8 legs spread out wide and free, the bravest spider you will see. Little Webby climbs the sky, wave to her as she goes by. Higher, higher, don't you stop, little Webby reaches the top. Hooray, hooray for Webby today, hip, hip, hooray, she found her way. Up and up and up and up, little Webby don't give up. Little Webby warm and bright, spins her web in golden lights. 8 small legs can rest at last, all the rainy storms have passed. Little Webby, spin our grass for gold. Good night, little Webby.